Hi, welcome to DHS Informatics. Today's topic I am going to cover you about logical programming. Programming skills are very important for you to get a good place in an IT industry. Most of the students are graduates. After their degree also they are feeling difficult in doing a programming because most of the students are practicing by hearting the program. They are not thinking logically. What is meant by logic? Logic means idea. For example, I am staying in Bangalore. I want to pick up my guest from Majestic from my place. Before I am starting my car to go to the railway station Majestic and pick up them. I have to plan in which road I have to go them and pick them. Because without planning I am going, you know about Bangalore, it is a heavily traffic oriented city, so that I will stuck here and there. To overcome this thing, I have to plan it and execute. That is called logic, means nothing but an idea or planning. That is very important. For any programming, you need these three skills: logic, algorithm, syntax. I am in the IT industry. I used to conduct a recruitment process. When I am asking the student to write whether the given number is a prime or not, they will write and give to me. But I will check the thing. There will be syntax. There will be some sort of algorithm, but there is no logic. Most of the students, you know about prime number. Prime number means it is divisible by itself and 1. It will not divisible by any other number. But they will write the program and give to me. It is a even or odd programming only they will do, because they are not thinking about the logic properly. That is a problem. For example, another way I can able to tell you what is logic. You are new to Bangalore. I am taking you from Bangalore to one place, maybe Majestic only I am taking you. You are remembering that I am taking you in the first left, second right, I will go 1 kilometer, again I am taking a right, like that you remember. Even next day you will not able to remember it properly. But you remember like that we moved towards one thing. There is one park is there by name Lal Bagh. Then next we are go to there is a one bank is there, State Bank of India. Then there is one temple is there. Like that you remember, after 10 years you come back to Bangalore also, you will know the path how to reach the Majestic easily. That is called logical. So that you should not by heart any program. What you have to do means you have to understand and memorize the logic only. One time you remember the logic, it's enough. You can do the programming anytime, after 10 years, after 11 years, after any number of times you can able to do the things. Okay, now we will go with the logic. Okay, now I am going to start with a small program. You are new to the programming. You are having a problem with the programming. Then my suggestion is, don't try the big programs. You can try with the small programs only. And I am going to teach you all the program by two logics, so that you can also able to do any program. You already know one logic. Maybe you are seeing some program in net. There is one logic will be there. Okay. Now you have to plan for the another logic. Like that we are going to go in this thing. Now biggest among three numbers. I am going to tell you what is the logic for the biggest among three number. Logic means just idea. Here there is no syntax, nothing. What we have to think in our mind, it has to come to our mind, that only I am putting it in a logic like this. Okay. Now we have to get the three numbers, so that I am declaring three number. I am getting the input A, B, C. Okay. Now what is the logic? A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Then A is big, B is greater than C, and B is greater than A, then B is big, C is greater than A and C is greater than B, then C is big. This is one logic. I think you all come across this thing. It is very easy. You have to think about the another logic. What is the another logic available? Maybe you know this thing also. You can see. Now I am declaring the same three number. I am inputting three number here. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then we have to print A is big. Else, we already know A is not big. Why we have to consider A? So that we are going with an else if. B is greater than C, then print B is big. Else C is big. That's all, no? So that it is another logic. In this logic, Instead of 6 comparison, we are doing 3 comparison. Okay, like that. What I'm telling you, don't worry about the performance. First, think alternatively. You are having alternative thinking, then only you become a good programmer. Second thing, biggest among n number. Biggest among n number. Suppose I am giving a 5 number or 10 number. You have to input one number, like I am inputting 10, 40, 20, like that I am inputting. So that it has to print that which is the biggest number among the given number. That is the biggest among n number. For that, what is the logic? You can think. Now, the first logic is get n number in an array, sort it, the number in an array using any sorting algorithm. In ascending order you are doing, print the last number. Suppose you are doing descending order, print the first number. That's all. No, that is a one more logic you are having. Okay. Now think for another logic to print the biggest number without using array. Without using array, you have to print the biggest number. How to do? You have to think. Okay. Now I am going to tell you 5 numbers. So that here the n is a 5. And you don't take any pencil and paper, just remember in your mind, and you are going to tell me which is the biggest number. Okay. Now the first number is 10. Second number is 20. Third number is 15. Fourth number is 45. Fifth number is 30. Okay. You tell me which is the biggest number. You can tell that fourth number 45 is the biggest. Whether you stored it in array, you did any ascending order, descending order, nothing, no. So that what is the logic is, first I am telling you the number 10. You are keeping the 10 in your mind. Okay. Second number I am telling 20. You are comparing 10 with the 20 and you are keeping 20 since 20 is the biggest. The third number I am telling 15. You are comparing 20 with 15 since 15 is less, so that you retain 20 in your mind. Then fourth number 45. You are comparing with 20 with 45. 20 is in your mind, and 45 you are replacing 20 with 45. The last number, fifth number I am telling 25. I am telling that you are comparing, since 25 is less, you are remembering only the 40. Correct? No, that is the thing, logic. So that you see the things here. Input how many numbers? 5. Input the first number, that is I am telling 10. So that 10 is keeping in your mind, that is called big. You are storing the variable in big. So that remaining how many numbers are there? N minus 1, that is a 4 numbers only. So that I am keeping a one for loop between 1 to n minus 1. Input next number 20 I am telling. If big is less than num, you are checking the thing. 10 is less than 20, yes, then replacing. That is big become 20. The next cycle you are getting next number is a 15. Big is less than number, no. So that the 20 only retain in the big. It will be keep doing the thing, the print the biggest number, so that which is the biggest number it is going to print. It is another logic you are having in your hand only. Okay, good. You can have another third logic, fourth logic also, good. I want you to think alternatively, that's all. Palindrome program. Palindrome program. What is a palindrome program? You know, Malayalam, Madam, Liril, these all palindrome. When you are reading a letters from left to right also it will be same, from right to left also it will be same. That is called palindrome. What is the logic for that? It is simple. You enter the word X, reverse the X, that is a madam I am giving, you are reversing the X, Y also it will come madam only. If X and Y are same, then it is a palindrome. You are giving a X as an India, you are reversing it, it is going to be different, so that it will be not a palindrome. Correct, no? Okay, now think for the another logic. What is another logic? Suppose I am asking you whether the India is a palindrome or not. Don't take pen and paper, just you can think. You will tell, sir, no sir, India is not a palindrome. You will tell clearly. Okay. Now, whether you reverse it INDIA, you reverse it to AIDNI, then you compare it, no. How? What you did? You are taking the first character and last character and you are comparing and telling, sir, it is not a palindrome. Your mind will do that quickly like that only. By seeing that only, it will do, internally it will do like that only. Okay, so that what is happening in India, for example, I am taking that I and A, it is not a palindrome. Suppose you are taking madam, MADAM, okay. Now you are taking, comparing M and M, that is the first character and last character, fifth character. It is matching means, then what you are going to do, you are taking the second character and fourth character, you are comparing, no, like that you are doing that. So that there are 5 characters, we need a two comparison. There are 8 characters, we need 4 comparison, like that. No, that is a logic will be there. Okay, input, enter the word. I am keeping a example. You can keep India. N equal to len of x divided by 2. N is a integer, it is coming. Len of x is a 5. 5 divided by 2 is a 2.5. Since n is a integer, it will going to store 2 only. I need 2 counters to fetch the first character and last character. No, we need 2 counters. Initially the C1, the counter 1 is a 1 and counter 2 is a len of x, that is 5. Flag is a 0. I am keeping flag is 0. I will let you know why we are using the thing. Now for I equal to 1 to n, 2 comparison we are going to do. A, get the counter 1 character, that is a I. Get the counter 2 character, that is the last character, 5th character, that is a we are taking that the A. Now we are going that comparing. A is not equal to I, that is I. A is a I, B is a A. We are comparing the not, it is equivalent or not. It is not equal means we are making flag equal to 1. Earlier we made it flag equal to 0 and break, it will come out. The flag equal to 0, then print it is a palindrome, else it is a not palindrome. For India, flag is changed to 1, no, it will print not palindrome. You check it with the madam. Here in the madam, same 5 character only. Here the inside the loop 2 comparison only. A it will come M, B also it will come M. A is equal to not equal to B, it will check. No, it is a equal, so that it will not go to the then part. It will come here. C equal to C plus 1. That means it will be incremented. That is a 1. Counter 1 is incremented from 1 to 2, and counter 2 from 5 it will be decremented to 1. And next loop it is taking the second character and 4th character. It is also equal, so that flag always retain 0 only, so that out of the loop it will compare flag equal to 0, then it will print palindrome only. Okay, got it? No, this is a second logic. Now round off problem. Round off problem in the sense, in all the building software they use the thing that is a round off function, you know, in C programming, flooring, ceiling, like that many functions are there. Here we are not use the any function, predefined function, we have to do the things. Okay, now I am giving a value 14.7 means the output will be 15. When I am giving 14.3 means output will be 14. You know the thing, 0.5 and above means we have to convert to the next integer. If it is a below 0.5 means we have to make it the same only, that integer part only we have to take. We have to remove the decimal point. That is the problem. Okay, what is the logic for the thing? Input, enter the value. We are keeping a value 14.7. A is a 14, will come integer value of thing. B is a decimal value, that is a 0.7. If B is greater than or equal to 5 means we have to increment A equal to A plus 1. Yes, here 0.7. We have to increment, it will be printed as a 15. Other case it will printed as a 14. I think you compare. Okay, correct? No, you think for the another logic. That is another logic, very simple logic. Now we can think. I am declaring float V, that is a value, that is a 14.7. Int A, I am keeping integer A. Here with the 14.7 I am adding 50 pies, that is a 0.5. I am adding 14.7 plus 0.5. What it will come? 15.2 it will come. In A we are going to store only 15 only, since it is integer, decimal will be removed, print A 15. If consider the other case, 14.3 plus 0.5, it has come 14.8. A is a integer only, no, it will store 14 only, it will come 14. Simple, no need of if statement, all this thing, no, there is another logic. Good. Like that you can able to think for the flames game, and think for the logic for the, we are giving 1 2 3 4 means that is a 1234. You are giving one integer value, it has to print 1234, it has to print. For example, to do this thing it is a difficult. Always when a task is very big, you have to divide the task into sub tasks. Small tasks you have to, construction of the house is a big, we are dividing into small tasks means it is easy. No, now you can do the next thing. You are giving 1234 means you have to print 1 2 3 4, like that you have to do the program. The concept logic behind the thing means you have to use the mod operator. 1234 mod 10 you are giving 4, it will come, no, remainder. Then 123 mod for 10 you are giving 3 will come. Like that logic you have to use and get that 1 2 3 4 and print that 1 2 3 4. Then you achieve that the third program logic, you can easily do the second program. That is the thing. Then similarly Pascal triangle. So that it is also very important. Pascal triangle is all the hackathon they will use this coding ask you to do the thing. So that there is a many logics will be there. One simplest logic is there we can do. You are interested about all this logic and other thing, you can mention in your comment and send your mail ID. I'll send this program to your mail ID. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so okay, thank you for listening, and subscribe our channel. If you are not subscribed yet, you can subscribe, so that we are going to update it every day. We are going to update new videos, so that it will be useful for you.